Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the engine computer fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, you actually guys have up to 5 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes, where we can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. For the engine computer fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. Now you guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll work in 2 of them for the engine computer. The first one, you need to open the door on the driver's side. Once you guys do that, if you look under the dash, all the way on the left side on the bottom, look upside down, you will find that you have one white cover. Pop it open, behind it you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the engine computer here we need to check 3 different fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, that way you do not waste money and time. For the engine computer we need to come in that row, and that's fuse 17 through 32. Starting here, that's 17, 18. Fuse number 18 is one of them that you need to check for the engine computer. Then you go to 20, 21, right here, need to be checked as well. After that you go to 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1 second, I think I messed it up. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. So fuse number 18, fuse number 21, fuse number 27. After that you need to go to open the hood. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, you have that cover. Open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Here we need to check 2 fuses guys. We're going to come in this section right here, so we'll zoom in, and here they go like that. Fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, fuse number 4, a very important fuse right there, and then fuse number 17, that 10M fuse will need to be checked for the engine computer. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.